Bismillah. So this program is entitled The Inevitable Journey because it talks about the journey every single human being will undertake. So there are four stages every human being goes through, four stages of life. The first stage is the life in the womb of the mother. The second stage is the life of this world. And the third stage is the life of the grave. And the fourth stage is the life of the hereafter. So this workshop focuses on the next stage, the third stage of life, which is life in the grave. And the Prophet ﷺ emphasized a lot on remembering death. Why? Because living in this postmodern consumer society, our desires are constantly fueled. And the only way to destroy those pleasures is remembering death often. And so at Al-Manara we emphasize everything that the Quran and Hadith emphasizes, and we de-emphasize everything the Quran and Hadith de-emphasizes. And so, inshallah, in this workshop, our goal is to strengthen the iman of our students. Because when they have strong iman in the hereafter, and the things to come in the afterlife, then they are more motivated to do good actions in this world. Secondly, we also want to show how a believer is honored in this life. Even after the believer leaves this world, he is honored and taken care by the people around that person. And lastly, we want to show the importance of living a life of obedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His Messenger. So I invite everybody here to come out, and I pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala allows me and all of us here to benefit from this amazing workshop that our students have put together. Jazakumullah khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Allah.